about 2-3 hours earlier, I heard this weird squawking like a squeaker toy. Like, I thought that was weird. Did you hear it? It was the weirdest thing.
I didn't hear it, but I heard you talking.
And then I thought, this is colloidal silver, 30 parts per million. It's very safe. But anyway, I kept hearing this, and Max, my cat, had a great big bird he was playing with, and its mama was freaking out. Here, it's a anyway. I put him in the I put injured birds in a box until they're safe. But anyway, here he is. Ow! Whoa! Yikes! He hurts. Yeah. Oh, I'm not going to hurt you. I'm going to be good to you. I'm going to save your life. Walk. Ow, ow! Ow, 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 ow! Ow, ow, ow! Ow, ow, ow! Wow, you're mean. I'm going to make sure you're okay, honey.
He is. Gone.
Oh, he's safe. He's okay. Boy, he really bit me.
Did that hurt?
Not that much, but it could have hurt if he was a little bit stronger.